All right, are they going to go in here? How are you going to put them in there? Oh, yeah, there they go.
Oh.
Check it out. Make sure you got it all.
Okay. Now try to make them.
Yes, now can you guys sit? You know, make sure that you can all reach and decide what you're going to do.
That's a 5. I hope I don't. It might read something. Let's 2. Here's a 5.
Okay, you're doing it.
Okay.
So, you're all right. I mean, it's all right. Okay, it's all right. Yeah.
Here's a 10. Here's a 10.
Oh, look, they're talking to each other too.
Mm-hmm, they are. Oh, I see Stella found a 10 also.
There's a 5. Here's a 5. I found a 5.
It's 2 5s. What are 2 5s?
No, that was mine.
Yeah, but I think he's trying to figure out where to put it, Naomi. Does it go on the 5 side? Okay.
I key a forward. Now I need a 1. We should go in the 10 pile or the 5 pile. I guess. Is this the 10 pile?
I believe so.
Okay. Look at that one. I'm gonna make this big.
How about your teams, Del? I think all these up here haven't been touched.
This is a 10. I can figure this out. Okay.
I think
1,
this might be
2.
2.
I made a 5.
I think this might be 2.
I made a 5.
Cool. Where'd you put it?
And a 10. And the 10. And the 5 pile.
In the 5 pile?
Wait, what's that?
In case you need to check your work if you're not sure. Like maybe I don't believe you, so I could say 4 and 1 and 5, and I could check my work.
Here's 1.
All right. Wow, they're all getting grouped up. Stell's got some over here.
I'm gonna make 10.
You want to make 10? I bet you can.
I'm not thinking how to make it. Hey, these make 10. This makes 10.
Oh, Stella found one that made 10.
4 plus 6 makes 10.
It does indeed.
Oh, just flip.
All right, are these the leftovers?
Yes.
All right, these are leftovers. All right, how are we going to count them? Can you do it?
Well, I think this is a leftover too, right? That one.
Wait a minute.
Oh, wait.
Wait a minute. Is that 6 left over?
Yeah.
Look, why do you think Miss Larissa and I are so excited? Something that Owen just said. He just said something. 6 and
4.
is. Look.
Wow, they don't have any leftovers?
You don't have any left
That's
over?
so cool.
Huzza, huzza. What? All right.
Has a what?
All right. Do you need help counting it, or watch out, Sal? Do you need help counting it, or have you got it?
What's that?
I think that goes over here. I'm not sure.
There.
All right. What is this guy?
Those are the 10s. No, this side is the 10s and this side is the 5s. He's count. Oh,
I'm not sure what this guy is.
let's try again.
Is this a 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 41, 42. 33.
Something sounds a little fishy here.
33.
Wow, I see how you were doing it. It was sort of like we did it too, right?
33.
This one looks like it got a little bit lost. Where do you think that one goes?
33.
I can see these are 10's.
33. We got 33.
I see what you were doing. You were double counting some of you were double counting over here and triple counting over here.
But there's triple on me.
Saying like 1, 2, 3. That's like if this was worth 3 points. I don't know a better way to do it so it's easier to count for you guys. Because it would confuse me a lot. These are worth 1 point, right? All these are worth 1 point. Is that true?
No one actually used this one. That's why it's by itself.
No, but it's okay. It's worth a point because it's 5.
Yeah, each group is worth 1 point.
Mm-hmm.
Each dice, it
Each one of
depends.
these groups is worth 2 points. Ooh, do we have a board marker?
Yeah.
Whoa! Can't even all fit.
Wait, I think these don't go with anybody, do they? Alright, so this is worth a point, right? And that's worth a point. And that's worth a point. And that's worth a point. That's worth a point. That's worth a point. These are the 10's, right? So it's worth 2 points. And 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 2 points. Correct?
Correct.
Alright, now we can just count the tallies. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Wow,
Whoa.
20
All right,
points.
so that is round 1, right? All right, now we're gonna.
1, 2. Can I see now?
It's gonna move to Naomi to
Where's the 20?
roll the dice.
20 is not the highest we've ever gotten to.
That's the highest you've gotten so far. It's only been 1 time. All right, you ready to roll?
Why is this like?
That was the slower set, guys.
Why didn't you circle it?
Because you don't have your best of 3 yet. You only have 1, right?
Are you even done with that one?
Oh, look how she's thinking.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Just watch it.
It is, it's different.
That's what I was thinking of doing, Stella.
Hey, we did it. I'm hot.
Oh, I see something. Do you see it? It involves these 3. What are you doing still? Yep, and then look at that. Put that back down. And I see one up for grabs. Yep.
Ow.
Look at that. See how Stella did this? You guys take a look. See how she lined this up and she said, oh, I need a 1 because I've got a 3, a 3, and a 3. So she used this to help figure out what she still
So
needed.
was this one 20?
All right, does anybody want to make
Was
the
this
tally
one
next?
20?
I'm gonna spread these out.
That one is 20, you're right.
I'm gonna do it.
You want to do the tallies? Okay.
Well,
Do you know how to do it?
2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move your hand, guys. I can't see. But I can't see. Move your hand. You move your hand, Owen, and you move your hand, Isla. I can't see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6. 10. I need a 4. I have a 4, and now do I need a 4?
4 plus 4 is 8. So 8 plus what equals 10?
Nay, you squished them all together. No. You squished them all together. Sorry. So, now how do you make 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't figure it out. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
Use your math rack.
Okay. So 10.
So if you have 8 on one side, how many are on the other side?
7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Over here's 10. 10. Those are 10. These are 10. This is 5. No. This is 10.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But 10. This is 5 over here.
So,
Okay. 10.
so how many were on the other side when there were 8?
Wait, what are those for?
Oh, and do you want to do a combination?
Well, I didn't. I just wanted to do a few.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8. 8. But we need. Can you redo that one, Sybil, or I actually messed it up?
It's almost like there's too many people working on one board. What do you think? Yeah, too many?
Yeah. Not too many.
No,
I
you
think too many.
Mm.
Why? There's a lot of these.
What are those?
4s.
4s? Well, what do you need for a 4?
And do we need to use my 1?
You could. And that would make a what?
5.
True. What else could you, how could you make a 10 out of a 4? You could add a, check it on your math rack. Does that work? All right, finish up, and then I'm gonna go get another mat, and we'll try splitting us up. When I come back, we'll be ready to check the tally marks. Okay, I'll be back.
We're making a lot of progress today. And how 20 will make it to 20. How do you write 20?
A 2 and a 0.
A 2 and a 0.
It's like a double of 10.
Okay. A 2 and a 0. What? I'm gonna write this for you. Okay. I'll do that. Okay. I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I know. Gotta write all of it. 10. Here's the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11. This made 11. 9, 10. I made 11.
You made an 11. How would you change that?
Is that more than 10? No.
Is it? Can you make 11 on your math rack?
What about that?
There's one right by Stella's hand. You could probably borrow that one.
Oh, watch out. I'm missing the math rack. It's mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 9. Okay, it's my turn.